Hello everyone. Today we're going to be replacing the breaker for our stove. Now it's this guy right here. It's a 30 amp and what we need to do is put in a 40 amp breaker. So it should be fairly simple. It should just be a matter of pulling this out, taking the wires out, pulling this out, probably turn it off, and putting a new one in there. So where did I put my old, here's my new one. Stove has a double oven. When you run the oven and the stove at the same, well, the power just went out. Well, that's convenient, so that means I won't be able to electrocute myself, right? Hopefully. So we're gonna turn that off anyway, and then we're gonna go ahead and unscrew these. I don't know if you guys have the best angle there, but right here, unscrew these, and all right, just gonna loosen these up so I can get the wires out of there. So then I'll unscrew this one here, and I made sure to turn the breaker off. Oh, power just came back on, so you can't trust. It's kind of storming outside. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can't trust the power to go out to save your life. So I'm gonna pull this wire out here and kind of put it to the side. This one as well. Okay. So now to get this breaker out of here, I think it's just a simple matter of coming over here with this, kind of prying up on it. You can see the slots back in there, and the slots in the thing here, the breaker, they just kind of go into that plug in. So I think you come in here, put this, you can see right here, over here, there's some grooves here, and there's grooves on your new breaker. They kind of go into those grooves, and then you just kind of push it back like that. So making sure this new one is off, and it's a 40 amp now. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there, hopefully, and hopefully it'll fit. Okay, so it looks like it's in the little grooves. Now I'm just going to push the back part in snug. There. Okay. And I think really that was it. It looks like over here, it's locked in over here, and it's snug right there and flat. So then all I got to do is get these wires back in here, and our stove will be back and ready to go here. So that's it for changing a breaker. Very simple. I'm just going to screw this in, put the other one in, and screw it in, and we'll be back on track. So thanks for watching, everyone. That's how you remove a 30 amp breaker and put in a 40. It's pretty much that simple. Have a great day.